Welcome to Impact Phase 1, where tech meet mystery. Unlock powerful digital skill, master new tech, and follow your future. One shot at a time. Subscribe, learn, and level up. All at Impact Fuse. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Let's dive deep into your computer and explore some keyboard shortcut that I believe that you have never used it before. But in case you have used any of this keyboard shortcut that I'm going to mention, just drop in the comment section and tell me when last you used it. Just watch this video to an end because number 3 and 4 is going to shock you. You are going to be surprised, okay? Let's meet in the comment section and discuss how you have used this and how do you feel about it. Okay, let's move now into a keyboard to see and explore it deeply to see some of the keyboard shortcuts that you can use. Alright, so here is our desktop, and now let's start doing the work. So now if you press window logo key plus V, it's going to give you the clipboard history. Okay, the clipboard history of your computer. So what is this clipboard history talking about? Everything that you have did copy and paste in your computer, you can see the options of copy and the options of paste. Okay, you can now check anything that was copy and paste in your computer throughout the whole day as you are using your computer to work. If you did copy and paste of anything, here you are going to find those options here. All right, so for those of you who don't like to type, okay, which you don't like to be every time you are on the keyboard struggling to place your fingers on the keyboard, here I got another tip for you. Okay, so now just move into your computer and you do this trick that I want to show you. Just press the window logo key. Okay, press the window logo key plus H. Now when you press this window logo key plus H and you hold, then it's going to open what is called the recording. Okay, it's going to open the recording bar. Okay, now when this recording is open, now that means that anything that is you are speaking on, you open any typing application. Okay, this can be Notepad or Microsoft Word. This is just going to start typing the document and the whatsoever thing that I'm saying. Like I'm speaking now, you can open it and it start typing whatsoever thing that I'm speaking here. Okay, so shut down. Let's look at this another keyboard shortcut. Okay, this is amazing. Just hold the window logo key plus shift plus S. This is going to open what is called the window sniper. Oh, this is one of the best too for those of you that want to prepare computer lessons. Okay, maybe you want to teach somebody something about the computer desktop. When you hold this tool, just see what happened here. Okay, look at this option up here. So now it gives you the possibility to record the window, to snap the window, and maybe just you can take the entire window, the rectangle, or whatsoever, the full screen, as well as even give you the possibility to crop. Okay, this also includes like making videos on your screen. You can do screen recording. Okay, so if you don't have a software to do screen recording, this is the best way to go. Just hold your windscreen here, place your shift, then S, then you will get this to all. Okay, now as you place this area, it is going to snap. So just open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or anything that you want to paste it, and you paste it there. So that is just all. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment as you are watching this video and how you feel about it. Should in case you have something new to add on this video, drop in the comment section so that other people can learn. Okay, so now let's pick up the next, or the last but not the least. Remember I said the last two are the best for you. Okay, so are you struggling now to type with emojis? Are you struggling to type anything in your computer? You need emojis, you need to put signs there. This is not still a problem now. Okay, this is not still a problem. So just go to your computer, you hold the window logo key plus the full stop. Okay, just hold the window logo key plus full stop. You are going to cry. Okay, this is going to open the emoji window. The emoji window, now it gives you the possibility now to type with emojis. Okay, you are going to see, so just hold the win key plus full stop on your keyboard. This is the emoji window, as you can see here. Now you can now select any of these emoji that you want to use, and use open any typing applications that you want to type on. So now you are just going to start using the emojis. Select any one that you can use. Okay, this also happens the same like on your WhatsApp application. You can also just type the type of emoji that you want. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.